The future of energy is changing, and Scottish Power is bringing that change to you. With powerful technologies making their way into our everyday lives and homes, we can be certain that the future of energy will look very different to how it is today. That's why Scottish Power is investing heavily in digital innovations like smart meters for customers across Great Britain to make it easier for you to control and manage your energy. And that's why we're here today. Now your installer is getting on with fitting your new smart meter, we'd like to show you how it can help you take control of the energy you use and what you pay. Then give you a rundown on how to operate your in-home display. Before we start, a little reminder that installation should take about 1 to 2 hours, and you could be without gas and electricity for approximately 1 hour. However, if we are only installing your electricity meter, it will be even quicker. But we don't want you to be without TV or a cuppa for long, so we'll do our best to install it as quickly as possible. Scottish Power is working hard to install over 5.7 million smart meters across Great Britain. It's a big effort that will make a big difference to you. So, how can your smart meter help you be more energy efficient? From today, you'll be able to see how much everyday activities are costing you in near real time. You'll see that simple things like switching appliances off standby mode could save you around £30 a year, and it's information like this that will help you build a clear picture of your energy habits, allowing you to see where you can save money day to day, letting you take control of the energy you use and what you pay. At Scottish Power, we're all about little things making a big difference. Little changes to your behaviour won't just save you money, they'll also help reduce your carbon footprint. By simply turning your lights off when you're not using them, not only will you save around £13 a year, you'll be doing a little bit to save the planet. The same goes for your heating. Turning your thermostat down by just 1 degree could save between £80 and £85 a year and make a real difference to the environment. That's not all. With your smart meter, you'll no longer need to submit readings or wait for someone to come round. Even better, it means you'll never pay for energy you're not using. Once your install is complete, you'll want to know how to make the most of your smart meter. This is where the in-home display comes in. So now we're going to take you through 3 simple sections, giving you important information on things like viewing your usage in pounds and pence and controlling your energy consumption. It'll only take a few minutes, and once your install is complete, we would encourage you to familiarise yourself with your in-home display. Your in-home display allows you to view and control your energy consumption easily. Simply press the Now button to switch between viewing your energy usage in kilowatts, CO2 emissions, pence per unit, and your daily standing charge. To switch between electricity and gas information, simply press the Utility button on your display. At the top of the screen, electricity is shown as a lightning bolt and gas is shown as a flame. If you only get one fuel from us, your display will only show information for that fuel. To view your energy usage across a time frame, press the Calendar button to see what you are using right now. Press the left arrow and the time frame will change. You can see so far today, so far this week, so far this month, and so far this year. So far so good? Okay. Now let's explain how your smart meter can help you take control of the energy you use and what you pay. At the bottom of your in-home display is a light indicator. These coloured lights give you an indication of the energy you are using based on your previous week's consumption. Green indicates a low level of energy usage, amber means medium, and red means high. Your in-home display will begin to learn the amount of energy you use, so if your light is red, you are using considerably more energy than the previous week, and you may want to look at ways of cutting down what you use. This final section is about setting and controlling your energy budget using your in-home display. You can set a budget to help you stay on track with how much you spend on your energy. You can even program your IHD to sound an alarm if you go over your desired amount. To find out how to set a budget, refer to your user guide or view the full video guide on our website. So now you know how to view your energy usage, track your consumption, and control your energy. Don't worry if you've not taken all this in. At the end of your installation, your installer will leave you with a user guide, and you can view this film again on the Scottish Power website or YouTube channel in your own time. However, if you would like your installer to take you through the in-home display, please just ask. Your installer will also take you through a short checklist to tell you what's been done and check that you're happy with their work. So let's go over what a Scottish Power smart meter means for you. No more estimated bills, just accurate ones every time. No need for someone to come and read your meter. You can see how much activities are costing in pounds and pence. You can change your behaviours to save and reduce your carbon footprint. At Scottish Power, we always aim to give you the best service. So when it comes to putting in your smart meter, we adhere to industry guidelines called the Smart Meter Installation Code of Practice. This means you may receive a call from an independent company who'll check everything is running smoothly and cover off some mandatory questions. Right, that's us done. Thanks for letting us in your home. Now you've taken control of your energy with your new smart meter, we hope it will now be easier for you to manage your energy and what you pay. That's smart. That's Scottish Power.